You might have traveled a lot, explored a lot, but when the first time you end up at this spot, you definitely end up asking yourself, what are these rings and how are these made? Floating on the surface of a lake. Man, it's a sight. This is Loktak Lake, the largest freshwater lake in South Asia. I first visited this magical place 5 years ago, and since then, I have been itching to come back and explore more of this incredible lake. This time, I decided to stay right in the middle of the lake in one of these floating houses built on these small islands called Phumdi. Let me take you through this unique experience and explore this beautiful lake together. So it's a beautiful morning out here in Loktak Lake. I'm staying right in the middle of the lake and you can see all the ring structures nearby, जिसकी वजह से ये lake बहुत ज़्यादा popular है. ये जो structure है जिसमें मैं अभी रह रहा हूँ, this is made on Phumdi. And Phumdi is actually a naturally occurring sort of a grass which floats on the water. And मैं एक चीज़ करके दिखाता हूँ. अभी पता नहीं मैं गिर नहीं जाऊँ, but हाँ, ये आप देख सकते हैं, ये Phumdi है. So this is like a solid base, but still it is not very solid. Like you can see, ये दलदल जैसा होता है ना, ये बिल्कुल वो वाली फीलिंग देता है. Like you can literally walk on it, but you can still see it's not very stable. So it's a very interesting concept. अभी थोड़ी देर में we'll go for boating and we'll explore the lake, and then later on let's see what all we can do over here at Loktak Lake. Let's go for boating.
Yeah. We can go do boat. My name is Leshemba. I am from Moirang. I am stay here within 1 month. Work for caretaker. Yeah, Loktak Lake is the biggest freshwater lake in the Northeast India, and this is so many people around the lake are survival for this lake by catching the fish. Moirang or Manipur also drinking this freshwater lake. Can I drink this water? When the water level is down, the roots of the that visit grass fall down there.
Right.
This one. And when the water level is up again, the visitors naturally come in.
The shimmering blue waters, the greenery surrounding the lake and the floating houses were a sight to behold. As I was taking in the scenery, I felt at peace.
But also these birds come from Australia, and in the summertime they will go back again Australia. Too many birds are there.
Ni aina ken bara.
So it was a really fun experience going on this boat ride in this beautiful lake, and I also got to learn a lot about how important this lake is for the people over here. Like, it's a freshwater lake, so people use this water for drinking. This water also goes into the hydraulic power plants nearby and is used to generate electricity. And a lot of people over here are fishermen, so they do fishing and then they sell those fishes in the market nearby, and that's how they generate their revenue as well. And there's a only floating national park over here, which is Keibul Lamjao National Park, which we are going to visit tomorrow. After the boat ride, I spent the rest of the day working from my stay at the lake. It was amazing to work while being surrounded by nature, and the peaceful surroundings made me feel more productive. So today we are going to explore the famous Keibul Lamjao National Park, which is the only floating national park in the world. I'm really excited to see कैसे वहाँ पर पूरे ऐसे float करते हुए पूरा national park बना हुआ है. So hopefully I think वहाँ पे boat ride होगा and हम boat से पूरा national park explore करेंगे. And वहाँ पे there is I think deer is something very popular over there. I'm not very sure और कौन से animals and birds वहाँ पे होते हैं. तो let's go. अभी boat यहाँ पे आ चुकी है and this is one interesting thing I wanted to tell you. यहाँ पे जितने भी लोग घूमते फिरते हैं आपस में मिलते जुलते हैं मोस्टली बोट से ही ट्रांसपोर्ट करते हैं. लाइक जैसे कल मेरे को मार्केट भी जाना था तो मेरे को बोट लेके पूरा वहाँ तक जाना पड़ा एंड अभी भी बैग्स वगैरह सब इसी बोट पे जा रहे हैं. और ये बहुत छोटी सी बोट होती है. भैया इस बोट को क्या बोलते हैं? ही हाई सी ही. ओके दैट्स व्हाट यू कॉल दिस बोट. एंड स्टार्टिंग में मेरे को बहुत डर लग रहा था इसमें. मेरे को लग रहा था ये इतना स्टेबल नहीं होगा बट अभी तो थोड़ा आदत में आ गया तो काफ़ी कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया है. तो सेफ ही होता है गाइस, तो आराम से आ सकते हो. अभी चलते हैं एंड लेट्स गो एंड एक्सप्लोर द नेशनल पार्क. बाय.
Hey, Momo.
Momo.
Yeah, Momo, Momo. But nickname, my actual name is Jitesh.
Okay. Oh, nice.
Yeah.
So we are going to Keibul Lamjao
Keibul.
National Park today.
Okay. Yeah.
So how far is it from here?
I think 1.5 kilometers, not so far from here.
Oh, that's very
close.
nearby. So we'll reach in like
Because
15
it is little shortcut from here. If you
okay.
go from the actual route, then it will nearly 5 to 7 kilometers like. शंघाई का ब्रीडिंग सीजन है ऐसा बोल रहा है. अंदर जाने का माना नहीं.
Made it to Keibul Lamjao National Park, but unfortunately ये नेशनल पार्क अभी अगले 10 दिन के लिए क्लोज्ड है. ये नेशनल पार्क जाना जाता है शंघाई डियर के लिए एंड अभी उसी की वजह से ये नेशनल पार्क बंद है क्योंकि नेक्स्ट 10 डेज तक इन लोग शंघाई डियर का पॉपुलेशन काउंट करने वाले हैं. एंड ऑल्सो ये अभी मेटिंग टाइम है तो इसलिए उस रीजन्स की वजह से इन लोगों ने अभी बंद कर रखा है नेशनल पार्क. थोड़ा सा बुरा लगा बिकॉज 6 बजे उठ के पूरा यहाँ तक आने के बाद देन आई गॉट टू नो कि ये बंद है. बट इट्स ओके. आई थिंक दैट ऑल्सो गिव्स मी अपॉर्चुनिटी टू कम ओवर हियर नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं डेफिनेटली आके केबुल लमजाओ नेशनल पार्क एक्सप्लोर करूँगा. बट अभी आई प्रॉब्ली गो बैक टू माई होम स्टे एंड देन शाम को विल फाइंड अ स्पॉट जहाँ से लोकतक लेक का व्यू बहुत ही अच्छा आता हो. लाइक यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा ट्रैक है तो ट्रैक करके वील गो टू द सनसेट पॉइंट एंड देन आई जस्ट वांट टू हैव दैट वन व्यू ऑफ द लेक जहाँ से लेक बहुत ही मतलब पूरा लेक दिखाई देता हो. So we'll do that in the evening today. I decided to make the most of my trip and explore the surrounding areas. After some searching, I finally found a spot that gave me an incredible panoramic view of the lake. The scenery was breathtaking, and the peaceful atmosphere made me feel grateful to be alive. Been here for last 3 days trying to find a perfect spot to witness these rings, and I think this is probably one of the best spots I could find that you can enjoy the beautiful sunset with a view of these rings. And these rings are so surreal, so beautiful to watch. First time जब तुम देखते हो इनको अपनी आंखों से बिलीव ही नहीं होता कि क्या देख रहे हो यार. Like look at this view, look at these rings.
Love like we never grew up. Live like we just get one tonight. We're kings and queens. One blink and it's over.
If you ever get a chance to visit Northeast India, make sure to add Loktak Lake in your itinerary. It's truly a paradise on earth, and I hope this video has inspired you to visit this beautiful destination. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more travel videos like this. I will see you soon in the next one. Until then, peace.
Hey, hi, it's me, Momo. What's your name? Momo. Momo. Momo, M-O-M-O.
Momo.